guys. I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are at Mohican State Park in Loudonville, Ohio, because we are going back to camp. Squirrel camp.
Squirrel camp. This is a big group of overlanders. You can see a bunch of them back there behind us. We'll get some pictures in here too. Some crazy people with tents on their cars and all kinds of cool setups.
Yeah, off-road vehicles.
Yeah.
And, there's every year they do this gathering. This is the third time now we've actually been here.
Yeah.
Definitely some neat setups.
Yeah, it's pretty neat to see. So we're just going to bum around a little bit today, go for a hike. That's really about it.
Yeah. And I'm sure we'll be eating lots of food and
yeah.
hanging out with friends.
Yep. All right, so we'll catch up with you at the end.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Another day of barely getting through. You took off the silver wings and filled up the tank with my energy. If I woke up alone, I'll be dreaming again. But I'm choked up and I can't breathe in. Ooh, I'm checked out. Ooh, I'm not gonna worry about what you're gonna think. When I leave, ooh, I'm checked out. Ooh, I got a new sound. Only thing I need is set me free. You got me frozen. Don't know what you're doing. You're about to laugh, but I know every way you've been. I'm locking you out, you can't have me. You try to call and I let it ring. Ooh, I'm checked out. Ooh, I'm not gonna worry about what you're gonna think when I leave. Ooh, I'm checked out. Ooh, I got a new sound. Only thing I need is set me free. The only thing I need took so long to see. I'm gonna take myself back and all you took from me back to when I Ooh, checked out. Ooh, not gonna worry about what you're gonna think when I leave. Ooh, I'm checked out. Ooh, I got a new sound. Only thing I need is set me
At this moment, monks are in deep meditation somewhere, unaware that cellular phone conversations are interrupting their prayer. NASA is beaming coordinates to satellites around Mars. From their radar through my body, then out to yours and out to the stars. The baton toss from them to me, to you, from them to me, to you. Baton toss from them to me, to you, from them to me, to you. White snow is static, we can't help but interfere with this. Yeah, it's automatic and tragic and scientifically so magic we can't see what's running through us. We follow hearts where eyes won't let us go. Let love exist between the lines just like white snow. Invisible to us, we must trust that they won't bring us harm. While the ghosts who walk among us are more than a little jealous, they are sounding their dead alarm. Baton toss from them to me, to you, from them to me, to you. Baton toss from them to me, to you, from them to me, to you. White snow is static, we can't help but interfere with this. It's automatic and tragic and scientifically so magic we can't see what's running through us. We follow hearts where eyes won't let us go. Let love exist between the lines just like white snow. White snow is static, we can't help but interfere with this. Yeah, it's automatic and tragic and scientifically so magic we can't see what's running through us. We're white snow is static, we can't help but interfere with this. It's automatic and tragic and scientifically so magic we can't see what's running through us. We follow hearts where eyes won't let us go. Let love exist between the lines just like white snow. Baton toss from them to me, to you, from them to me, too.
With everything I've ever done, I give it all to everyone for one more day. Another night I'm waking through another door I walk into, I can't break. And it's a winding road, and it's a long way home. So don't wait for someone to tell you it's too.
All right, well, Squirrel Camp 2025 was nuts.
It was a lot of fun. We had a great time here this weekend. It was so pretty. We had all the snow. And let's see, what did we do? We went for a hike yesterday to the Lions Falls.
Big and Little Lions.
Big and Little Lions Falls. We started at the covered bridge there. It was really pretty. A little icy, a little slick. About 2-mile hike, but the falls were beautiful.
Oh,
It's a good hike.
Yeah, you got to see. It was pretty cool because the falls were fairly frozen.
Yeah, there's still some dripping, but you had the mound on the bottom.
Yeah.
And the big icicles on the top. It was so cool.
So it was worth getting out in the wintertime to go see that.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've hiked that trail dozens of times, but we've never actually done it in the winter. So.
Yeah. There were quite a few people on the trail too, so that's always nice to see that people are out enjoying it. You got to get out there and do it. To see it. I did lose my favorite pair of purple and black sunglasses. Probably around the bridge, around the parking lot. So if anybody finds them, they say Fathead's Brewery on them.
Yeah. And then we went and visited some friends of ours that bought a house near here. So we got to visit with them, which was real nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a really nice visit with Dave and Terry.
Yeah.
They actually bought not too long ago, within the past year, it's an old schoolhouse that was redone as a house.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool. It was originally from 1913.
Yeah.
It was the schoolhouse. Bellevue number 7.
Yeah. Even though they live in Butler.
Yeah.
Then we came back to the campground and we, hung around with friends. We had, fire going. Great
Good
food as
food.
always.
Yep.
Just good to catch up with people. Jason and Melissa, they're from northern Illinois, so we don't get to see them all that often.
Yeah. Live Today.
Yes.
If you're not familiar with their channel, make sure you check them out. They do a lot of winter camping up in the snow and the UP.
Yeah. Hardcore.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tent camping.
Yeah. It's neat to see their videos.
But
yeah.
I'll put a link down below for their videos so you can check them out.
Yep. Good people. Great to see you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that,
a lot of cool setups here.
Yeah,
For the Squirrel Camp, the Overlanders group. We don't really know many of them, but it's always fun to just come and see their rigs, and they go off-roading and they come back all muddy.
Yeah.
And just cool setups.
Squirrel Camp. So if you know, comment down below. Let us know why.
Yeah. Yeah. We're still trying to figure that one out.
Yeah. Maybe because they sleep in tents on top of their vehicles. I'm not really sure.
I think I asked one time, but I don't know if I really ever got a real answer.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely cool to see what some of these people come up with, for their rigs and
how they stay warm and
it's pretty cool.
It is neat. We saw some hammocks over there, so that's a little crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, good time this weekend.
Yeah.
Good park here, Mohican State Park. Just pretty. Always a nice park. We love this area. Yeah. Anything else?
Nope, I don't think so.
Good time with good friends as usual.
Yep.
So I guess that's it. Keep it safe in your travels.
Between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.
Bye.